Good day everyone. The God in me greets the God in you. God bless you. Our video representation is about ML symbol math, exploring base 4 number system, symbolic meanings, and basic operation. So the table of contents of this video presentation is ML symbol and their meanings, base 4 place value, conversion between base 4 and base 10, addition and subtraction using ML symbols.
Symbolic and their meanings. Diamond symbol, digit 0. Math meaning 0. Symbolic meaning void. It represents emptiness or the foundation where everything starts. In many cultures and systems, 0 is the beginning of all potential. And the next one is triangle symbol, digit 1. Math meaning 1, symbolic meaning alpha. The triangle is the first stable shape in geometry. Represents beginnings, leadership, or origin. Circle symbol, digit 2. Math meaning 2, symbolic meaning beta. The circle symbolize balance, harmony, or duality. Also interpret as unity or opposition working together. Rectangle symbol, digit 3. Math meaning 3, symbolic meaning delta. The square rectangle represent fullness or expansion. In many systems, the number 3 and shape with 4 sides often imply growth or completion.
So let's proceed to number chart 1 to 20. Base 10 versus base 4 with ML symbols. Column 1, base 10. This is our standard numbering system, the one we use every day. It ranges here from 1 to 20. Next, column 2, base 4. This is the base 4 or quaternary system which only uses the digits 0 to 3. Each number in base 10 has a unique equivalent in base 4. For example, base 10 number 4 becomes number 10 in base 4. And base 10 number 5 becomes number 11 in base 4 and so on. And lastly, column 3, ML symbols. This column creatively represents the base 4 digits using shapes. 0 equals to diamonds, 1 equals to triangle, 2 equals to circle, and 3 equals to rectangle.
So let's proceed to addition example. What is alpha alpha void plus alpha void beta? First step, translate the ML symbol numbers into base 4 digits. Void equals to 0, alpha equals to 1, beta equals to 2, and delta equals to 3. So, alpha alpha void equals to 110 in base 4. Then, alpha void beta equals to 102 in base 4. Step 2, convert each base 4 number to decimal. Alpha alpha void equals 110 in base 4. The solution is 1 times 4 squared plus 1 times 4 into the first power plus 0 times 4 into the 0 power is equal to 1 times 16 plus 1 times 4 plus 0 times 1 equals 16 plus 4 plus 0 equals to 20. The second one is alpha void beta is equal to 102 in base 4. 1 times 4 squared plus 0 times 4 into the first power plus 2 times 4 into the 0 power is equal to 1 times 16 plus 0 times 4 plus 2 times 1 is equal to 16 plus 0 plus 2 is equal 18. In step 3, add the two decimal numbers. 20 plus 18 equals 28. In step 4, convert the sum back to base 4. 28 divide 4 equals 7 remainder 0. 7 divide 4 equals 1 remainder 1. 1 divide 4 equals 0 remainder 1. So, 28 is equal to 110 in base 4. In step 5, convert base 4 digits to ML symbol. Base 4 number is 110 is equal to alpha alpha void. The final answer is 28 and 110 in base 4 and the symbol is alpha alpha void.
So let's proceed for another example. What is beta void plus alpha void void? translate the ML symbol numbers into base 4 digits. So, beta void equals 20 in base 4 and alpha void void is 100 in base 4. So next is convert each base 4 number to decimal in base 10. Beta void equals 20 in base 4. 2 times 4 to the first power plus 0 times 4 to the 0 power is equal to 1 times 4 plus 0 times 1 is equal 4 plus 0 equals 4. Alpha void void is equal to 100 in base 4. 1 times 4 squared plus 0 times 4 to the first power plus 0 times 4 to the 0 power is equal to 1 times 16 plus 0 times 4 plus 0 times 1 equals 16 plus 0 plus 0 equals 16. Add the two decimal numbers. 4 plus 16 is equal to 20. Next, convert the sum back to base 4. 20 divide 4 is equal 5 remainder 0. 5 divide 4 is equal 1 remainder 1. And 1 divide 4 is equal 0 remainder 1. So 20 is equal to 110 in base 4. Lastly, convert base 4 digits to ML symbols. Base 4 number 110 is equal to alpha alpha void. The final answer is 20 or 110 in base 4 is equal to alpha alpha void in ML symbols.
So let's proceed to the example of subtraction. What is alpha void alpha minus beta alpha? Step 1. Alpha void alpha is equal to 101 in base 4. X is beta alpha is equal to 1 in base 4. Step 2. Alpha void alpha 101 in base 4. So 1 times 4 squared plus 0 times 4 to the first power plus 1 times 4 to the 0 power equal to 1 times 16 plus 0 times 4 plus 1 times 1 equal to 16 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 17. Next is beta alpha is equal to 1 in base 4. 2 times 4 to the first power plus 1 times 4 to the 0 power. To the 1 times 4 to the 0 power is equal to 2 times 4 plus 1 times 1 is equals to 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Step 3. Subtract the two decimal numbers. 17 minus 9 equals 8. Step 4. Convert the difference back to base 4. 8 divide 4 equals to 2, remainder 0. 2 divide 4 equals to remainder to 1. So 8 equal 1, 0 in base 4. Lastly, step 5, convert base 4 digits to ML symbol. Base 4 number is 10 or alpha void. So the final answer is 8. 10 in base 4 and alpha void in ML symbol.
So the next example is delta alpha beta minus alpha beta void. So first step is translate the ML symbol number into base 4 digits. So delta alpha beta is equal to 312 in base 4 and alpha beta void is equal to 120 in base 4. So step 2, convert each base 4 number to the decimal. Delta alpha beta is equal to 312 in base 4 is equal to 3 times 4 squared plus 1 times 4 to the first power plus 2 times 4 to the 0 power is equal to 3 times 16 plus 1 times 4 plus 2 times 1 is equal to 48 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 54. Next is alpha beta void is equal to 120 in base 4 is equal to 1 times 4 squared plus 2 times 4 to the first power plus 0 times 4 to the 0 power is equal to 1 times 16 plus 2 times 4 plus 0 times 1 is equal to 16 plus 8 plus 0 is equal to 24. Next step is the subtract the two decimal numbers. 54 minus 24 is equal to 30. So step 4, convert the difference back to base 4. 30 divide 4 is equal to 7, remainder 2. 7 divide 4 is equal to 1, remainder 1. 1 divide 4 is equal to 0, remainder 1. So that 30 is equal to 112 in base 4. Lastly, step 5, convert base 4 digit to ML symbol. So base 4 number is 112 is equal to alpha alpha beta. So the final answer is 30 is equivalent to 112 in base 4 and alpha alpha beta in ML symbol.